Hello, everybody, and welcome to Anthropology Simplified. Before I start this session, I would like to request everybody to comment down the topics you would like me to take up next. So, for today, I'm going to discuss the relationship of anthropology with medical sciences. Medical sciences or medical science deals with the prevention, diagnosis, and treatment part of the management of disease. We all are aware that medical sciences is such a branch of science which deals with prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of the disease. So, basically, what prevention means? Prevention means to prevent something from happening, and then diagnosis means to diagnose it, like as per the symptoms. It is diagnosed like whatever the disease is, and then after that we treat it as per the symptoms. So, since human health is understood from the perspective of biology and culture, physical and sociocultural anthropology are associated with medical sciences. So, what all is associated with the medical sciences? If we see from the perspective of anthropology, it is the culture, physical, and sociocultural anthropology which is associated with medical sciences. But there are also some differences between anthropology and medical sciences. So, we are going to study what are first we are going to study about the historical background. So the review of literature reveals that anthropologists have made significant contributions in the field of medicines. In 1942, in 1942, Eckernet, a medical historian, contributed a series of scientific papers on primitive medicine. The papers provided useful guidance to the anthropologists for conducting research on indigenous system of medicine. So in 1942, Eckerschnett, who is a medical historian, he contributed a series of scientific papers. That means he basically did some research about primitive medicine. These papers provided useful guidelines to the anthropologists for conducting research on indigenous system of medicine. Then later there were a series of researches on the role of psychosomatic medicine by anthropologists like Henry and Margaret Mead in 1947. So then later there were a series of research. Of course, there will be many researches. So in these researches, the role of anthropology to psychosomatic medicine was explained by anthropologists like Henry and Margaret. And then Clements. What Clements did? Clements tried to trace the worldwide distribution of five basic concepts of disease, namely sorcery, breach of taboo, social intrusion, spirit intrusion, and soul loss. Eckernet on primitive medicine. What Eckernet said about primitive medicine? Primitive medicine is not a collection of errors and superstitions. Primitive medicine is not a collection of errors and superstitions, nor is to be explained by simply stating that in the medical field, primitives used spells, prayers, bloodletting, human fat, etc. What counts are not the forms, but the place medicine occupied in the life of tribal people, and it has been proved on the basis of anthropological cross-cultural studies that introducing Western technique in public health necessitates adapting the role of the doctor and other health professional to fit other existing cultural expectations. Now we are going to learn the relationship between physical anthropology and medical sciences. As a part of study of human variation, anthropology studies blood group typing like HLA, that is human leukocyte antigen system, which are also a part of medical sciences. So basically, the topics which are studied in anthropology overlaps with those of the medical sciences topics like blood grouping type that is HLA, that is human leukocyte antigen system. It is also studied in medical sciences as well. Then there is dermatographic study on dermatic Alifix. It is a part of physical anthropology which has benefited the branch of forensic medicine. Then comparative anatomy and anthropometry. It is the area of study of physical anthropology which helps in development of artificial limbs. In many countries, anatomical department of medical science must recruit anthropologists mandatorily. So this paragraph mentions how anthropologists are also useful in medical sciences. So the gerontology. Physical anthropology studies growth and developmental pattern of human beings. In the process, they also study pattern of old age, which can help elderly people grapple the problem of aging. Then physical anthropology has found out the causes behind the hereditary characters of disease which benefited medical science. Genetic engineering and biotechnology are studied by anthropology and medical sciences in order to protect and promote human health, prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of disease. So, genetic engineering and biotechnology is studied in both anthropology as well as medical sciences. The relationship between socio-cultural anthropology and medical sciences. The concept of disease and well-being are culturally determined. Example, um, some of the tribal people in India. Example, some of the tribal people in India do not consider themselves as sick as long as they are not bedridden. Diagnosis of the disease. There are socio-cultural mechanisms to diagnose several types of diseases and their symptoms. For example, in rural Bengal, snake bite is diagnosed by the tasting of green chilies by the victim. If the victim tastes the chili bitter, the bite is poisonous. The bite is by poisonous snake. Otherwise, it is not. Then treatment of diseases. Certain knowledge of leaves and bark is there in every society to cure diseases. Example, tulsi, that is basil leaves, along with honey, is used to cure common cold. It is common all over India. Obviously, it is a kind of homemade remedy. Then ethnobotany and primitive pharmacopoeia. Ethnobotany means using plant as medicine for diagnosing and curing many diseases by simple society. Example, Kanu tribe living in the Nilgiri hills uses herbal medicines for increasing resistance to diseases. Recently, their knowledge has reached to drug research institutes belonging to MNCs, that is multinational companies. Certain diseases are regarded as supernaturally inflicted. For management of these kinds of diseases, priests or magicians prescribe the patient to dip in particular pond or visit some places of pilgrimage. Prevention of diseases. Certain behavioral patterns regarding foods, feeding habits are followed as a hygienic notion in simple society. The medical evidence for this purpose is also available in at the level of knowledge. Prevention of cultural practice, that is Sahalia tribe in MP, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, etc. use certain herbs as contraceptives. Then difference between anthropology and medical sciences. Now we will learn about the differences. So anthropology focuses both on traditional and modern system of medicine, though the focus being more on the traditional medicine. But medical science focuses mainly on the modern system of medicine, not on the primitive. Medical science studies the disease pattern in an atomistic and part manner, but anthropology studies it in a holistic part, taking into account amount social and cultural practices, economic behavior of communities, religions, practices, beliefs, and attitudes, etc. The modern culture lays greater stress upon the scientific medicine as opposed to folk or indigenous medicine. However, one cannot forget that socio-cultural forces play a large part in determining the meaning of illness, the function of illness, and ways of counteracting illness. So, we can conclude that though medical sciences and anthropology are different disciplines, they borrow knowledge from each other to enrich their overall understanding about various aspects of human health. Human health, thus, is not a product of biology but also that of culture. So that's all for today's class, and I would request all of you to comment down in the comment section below the name of the topic you would like me to explain in the next session. Please do like if you found this video helpful, and also subscribe to the channel for further more videos. So next I'm going to discuss the relationship between anthropology and earth sciences on anthropology and earth sciences. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.